What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Rosey G.
And Black.
And welcome to our YouTube channel.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Only gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
What's up, YouTube? So on today's agenda, we don't really got shit going on. It's Friday. Black's off work. I ain't got work.
Yeah, she don't got work.
And King's and my mom's. He moved my mom's the whole spring break. So,
about to get a car wash. We about to do our own detail.
Yeah.
So make sure if y'all need your car, hit me up.
What the fuck was that just dropped?
I don't know.
Must be that lemonade.
Yeah. Yeah, it's back in.
Anyway, so yeah, right now we are on our way to the gas station where they have the self-wash and self-vacuum stations.
Because nobody got no money to
be paying for no detail. Like, that's OD. So, we see you guys when we get there.
Walking down the bell, making no not right now. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom.
Get that.
This the hood.
With a long walk on the beach.
This the hood of the hood.
You see, we got Thomas Jefferson right
I
here.
hate that school. I was running down on niggas.
Yo, if you know, you know. If you went to Jeff with me, you know what's up. Gangsta. I was barely in that bitch. I was barely in that bitch.
So, babe, you trying to get some Spanish food? Today's Friday. You ain't hungry?
Right now, no.
Only eat when you eat.
And I went to this school too, this PS13.
You went to that school right there?
No, my little brother went to PS180 and my cousins.
I don't go to schools in the East. I ran all through this shit. Like I was a king. Yeah, you just, feel me? Doing a little touch up to the car. Nothing major. But we still doing them videos and all that. We just been slacking. She about to work like 2 jobs like a Mexicano. I said go this way. Come around, right, babe? She working 2 jobs like a Mexicano. About to be by the gas station, yo. Damn.
Everybody had the same idea as you?
Yeah. I don't need the vacuum. I could use the own vacuum. I need the walls.
This is the vacuum station. This is the wash stations over there. The gas station is packed. We are currently on Linden right now. Yeah. Currently, we are next in line or whatever. Just waiting now. Hopefully this guy right here. Nah, this one right here. He don't got nothing on his car. Maybe he done.
Who else to say he came back?
Nah, just some other nigga.
What you doing? What was you doing? Fuck.
Like I said, me right now, we sitting waiting inside of the gas station. It's a nice sunny day today.
Yeah, but everybody want to take the car wash thing. I'm in line.
Also, I took my nails out, you guys. Look at my shits. They look so healthy.
A birthday coming.
They look so healthy. Oh, this
She
one
got me
didn't come
tight
off.
though.
You got yourself tight.
Excuse you.
Excuse me, sorry, y'all. Y'all see that? Yeah, it's long. It's long.
That's some brilliant food.
It's supposed to.
Nah, but make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, hit that notification bell. You already know. I thought you was calling your brother.
No, I thought he was coming, walking up to run down on you.
Run down on who?
On you, the
I don't
African.
know.
The African.
You got me. We're just waiting and waiting and waiting. That's what he doing. I'm taking this one. Cause I'm telling you, he done.
Okay.
He not done yet. He done.
I don't even gotta come out.
No, you understand? Yeah, my gosh. This job really stressing me out. I'm ready to quit and just go back to the blood. Like, but nah, you see her face. You see her face. I see her face. It's crazy though.
Don't talk to me.
She said, "Don't touch me, bitch."
Don't touch
But
me, man.
when one of them move, y'all gonna see us clean the car.
It's motherfucking cold out this bitch. I ain't even gonna try.
I need a jacket. I thought it was nice.
Yeah, the
Oh, this
machine.
sound. Don't rob me, man. I never did this before.
They say your shit not valid, homie. Let's see.
Why are you playing with me? I'm about to beat this machine up on my mama. Throw somebody over my door.
Oh, there you go.
What?
Y'all stop playing. How I'm supposed to do that and you acting up the place? Ah, Thomas! Okay. Your sneakers in the back? Right here?
Yeah.
Oh shit, that's his sneakers right here. These dirty ass shit. Hell. Oh fuck! Yeah, glow. Slapping rap bitches and making bell ho. Yeah, glow. As y'all can see, he's scrubbing. My legs mad fucking cold. He wet the shit out of me and shit. Oh shit. Almost tripped over this damn tree, whatever that is. Look at the car from the front, y'all. Isn't it lovely? I got dirt in my shoe and shit. Unk out? No, he's standing right by you now. He said, fuck that shit. Ain't nobody catching me. Ooh, it's fucking cold. I'm about to go in the car in a minute.
You got a car, that's all you gotta do.
Spend money, spend money, spend money. All day, every day. All day, every day. It is cold, y'all. It is cold. But we's watching the car right now.
Huh?
I said it's cold, but we washing the car. As y'all can see, he's getting busy. Anyway, I'm about to go in the car, y'all. Alright, y'all. So while he's out there, we're doing what he know, cleaning the car. I'm finna roll up roll up, cause that's what we do. We smoke weed and we go to school. Yeah, bars. Yeah, so lately, guys, I've been obsessed with Red Bull. Red Bull, sponsor me. I just been drinking it, and Black been calling me a crackhead because I had one, and after I had one, I just want to keep having some more. Isn't I really like every day? It's like every other day. Nah, it's like every day. Every day I have one, but then today I had two. Yesterday, I think I had. I had two. I had to have like two. But like, he just be so like, oh, that's crackhead antic. No, it's not. I just like it. The fuck? The fuck? But yeah. So last night, babe, was it last night or the night before? He ordered me. She pissed me off and somehow she still get whatever she want. He ordered me this bust down 30-inch 13x4 ear to ear wig. Yes sir. Yes sir. Because my mom's talking about she don't like that blonde wig that I got. She want me dye green. She talking about it's hoey, it's prostitute. So we not even. I ain't finna do it. I don't want to hear that. But yeah, May 1st is next week. So we finna get into it. It's officially May. About to be May. It's officially tourist season at the end of the day. Chris Brown done rocked y'all with the tourist antics. He done showed y'all don't fuck with a tourist. Amen. Hey, motherfucker man. Yup. Chris Brown done told y'all and showed y'all why y'all need to leave a tourist alone. Because once a tourist go bothered, yeah, you gonna know. We real unbothered till you bothered us. Now we finna eat your ass up. Yo, this nigga hit my car and shit, bitch, you stupid. He said I'm ugly. Yeah. This nigga act like he know what he doing. He don't know shit. Yeah. I said, nigga, you hit my car and shit. Nigga, he done backed out the door on me. I got quiet. Hold on. Never pussy though, but who? Let me open my door. Fuck. Let me open my door like that, like you finna pop off. Please. Anyway. So yeah, he got a vacuum and do all that extra. You finished?
Who?
You finished?
Yeah.
Did you put the wax?
What wax?
Did you turn it to wax and do the wax?
Yeah.
Okay. The green one?
Yeah.
Okay. So I guess we done cleaning the outside of the car. Now we need to relocate so that we can go clean the inside of the car.
How much is the soap off?
What soap? You were supposed to rinse it off. How'd you get soap on there?
I did rinse it off. It still was soapy.
You gonna put another $5 in there? You bugging out. I'd have just
Wipe it down?
yeah, pour some water or something. Where we at? The car, inside of the car is now clean. I know I didn't show y'all the before and after because honestly, a nigga forgot. But don't mind the backseat. It was always looking like that. But it was looking horrible. Trust me, y'all. It's better now. We would clean the dashboard, all that. Y'all couldn't see it before, but I had like little toe marks right there. I cleaned that up also. So yeah, I look crazy.
That's it for this video.
Yeah, that's it for this video, guys. We're done.
Make sure y'all like, subscribe.
Look at Yogi Bear. Y'all remember Yogi Bear, y'all? This is the Yogi Bear stage and truck. But yeah, make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, and comment, and
hit that
notification button so that y'all know when we on y'all screen.
Hello. Deuces.